What is operator? Operator is basically you perform operations on variables or values. Python has some various types of operators such as arithmetic operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, and assignment operator or bitwise operator. So to explore more, let's go to our code editor. So first start with arithmetic operator. Suppose x equal to 5, y equal to 2. If I print it, x plus y, what will be the result come? It will become 7, right? Which operator I use? Plus operator, minus operator. Likewise, minus operator, multiplication operator, division operator. Many more will be discussed here. Because these all are using in our arithmetic logic to be clear. So that if I write x minus y also same wise, if I write x into y means multiplication. Did you see if I write x module y, this is called module operator. Okay, this is called module operator. You get a remainder on it. Then if I write this one x double star, this means it is exponential operator, means if you find any square, 2 ka square, if I want to find 2 ka square, then exponential operator we can use. X value you put, y value put, you get the square. Likewise, floor division operator means this is a very unique type operator. This you see in first time because this is used in Python and various programming languages also. What will this give? It gives a whole number, means if I divide 15 floor operator 2, you know result 7.5 will come, but the whole number they given 7. You see the result here. Okay, move further. Next going to our comparison operator, which is known as a relational operator also. Okay, here what you get? Here you get less than, greater than, equal to, not equal to. This kind of operators we are using here. So like print option, if I use x greater than y, what will be the result? If x equal to 5, y equal to 2, x is greater than 2, so it will be coming a boolean result. If x is greater than equal to y, so what will become? X is 5, y is 2. The result will come on this basis. Okay, you can try it. Okay, if I try it, if x equal to y, what will be the result come? X equal to 5, y equal to 2. X and y is not similar, so it will be false. Okay, if I write x is not equal to y, then it's 2. X is not equal to y. X is 5, y is 2. It is not equal. So here we are using not equal to operator. Okay, understand. So in logical operator, we can see take the value x equal to true, y equal to false. What will be the result come? You see if I print it x. Basically in logical operator we use three operator, that is AND, or not. If I write to print x or y, it means what? If any one of these elements are true, it will be showing the result true. Or operator meaning is that if any one of the value is true, means x value is true, y value false are given. If I put it here, you see the result will become in true. Okay, in the end case what will be, if both the conditions are true, both the conditions if it is true, then the result showing true, otherwise it's showing false. Okay, it, hope you understand. In not operator, what are we gonna see? In not operator, if the x value is true, if you write print not x, which means x value is true, if you put it into it, means it converted to false. This not written here, it will be directly converted to false. It is these all are logical operator basically. Then talk about bitwise operator. Here we see bitwise operator basically we are using in binary number. Okay, you see the ampersand symbol here. If I write it print x ampersand symbol y, in this case the binary numbers of x value and binary number of y value will be compared. They compare through AND operator. You see the ampersand symbol here. Okay, like same wise if I write OR operator, means setting it means what, OR operator also same wise means set each bit if one of the two bits is 1. It's, what is the meaning of this? Means if like OR operator we are using before, if any one condition is true, then it is true. If both the conditions are true, then it is true in AND condition. If none of, means in not operator, not, you see the symbol in not operator here. See, so these are all basic operators we are using in like called binary operator or bitwise operator. As a Python programmer, you must know these operators. These are really functioning. So in assignment operator, what are you gonna see? You're gonna see equal to symbol you see here. You see here equal to symbol is equal to symbol, plus equal to symbol, minus equal to symbol. These are all assignment operators. Means if you see multiplication, what is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of this? If I write a plus equal to, it means a equal to a plus 3, means a value is 3. If you put a equal to a plus 3, means a value 3 will be put, the result 6 will become. You see the result in when you print. Okay, like same wise module equal to, floor division equal to, ampersand equal to, many more operators. You can try to implementing them. Okay, you should try. Once you try, you will know these things. It is a very useful operators to do Python program. Okay, let's move to the identity operator. Okay, what is identity operator? See, if I given value a equal to 3, b equal to 3, okay, what will become result? It will be, result will become true. Why true? It gives true if both variables having same object. A equal to value 3, b 3, same object, it will become true. You understand? If I write in a string, okay, if I write in a string that a equal to Ram, b equal to Sam, okay, if print a is b, a is b, if I print it, it will be showing false. Why it will be showing false? Because these values will not matching. Like same wise, if I write if a is not equal to b, a is not equal to b, it's coming by true. Why it is true? Why it will be true? It will be true because because Ram is not equal to Sam, so it will become by true only. Okay. Suppose we want to take a list here. If we want to take a list here, 1 2 3, b equal to 1 2 3. A and b both the numbers are same, but still it will be coming. If I print it, it will become false. Why it will be false? Because a or b value will be same, but uh, these are stored in different memory location. Different memory location, they both are stored. It doesn't matter if two variables are same, they are in stored in same memory. It doesn't matter, they will be stored in same memory. It will become result false. By putting same value, but the result will become in false means they store in different memory locations. Okay, let's move to the another operator that is called membership operator. Membership operator you will find very easy, because you want to check here, if you write a string that school, if I write it, you write one word that c is present in x. X is a variable that is stored or not, means c word is present is not. If I check it, it will be present, it will become by a true. If I write c is not in x, what will become? It will become false. Okay, like same wise, if I write a number here, like you are using most of the data structures like list, we can use it here, list, sets, tuple, many of the things we can use it. You should check these means this letter what we are writing is present or not. This logic is applicable in tuples, set, and dictionary. Okay, once you check it by your own in your code editor, okay, then you know the result of what type of operators we have briefly discussed until now. That will be how efficiently it will be working. Okay, I hope you liked our session. In the next session we discussing about if else statement in Python. So till then, keep subscribing, keep watching our videos, keep learn from our videos. It will be more helpful in Python program. Thank you so much.